How to delete duplicate photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, scroll down to the Utilities section and tap on Duplicates. You will find all the duplicate set of photos on your phone over here. Go to the top right corner and tap on Select. And then, select all the photos you want to delete from here. After selecting, tap on the delete icon below. Tap on Continue. Then, tap on Delete Photos to confirm. Now, go back and tap on Recently Deleted. You will find the photos you just deleted over here. If you want to permanently delete them, select the photos and tap on the three dots at the bottom. Then, tap on Delete. Tap on Delete from this iPhone to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete duplicate photos on iPhone.